The SEI SCADA simulator is designed to fill gaps in existing virtual training environments by providing realistic stand-ins for industrial automation devices. This easy-to-configure system can be quickly modified to present different device behavior within a training network, allowing the simulator to appear as a power generation plant, military-based security system, chemical processing facility, or anything else as required by the training mission. Students can interact with realistic SCADA human-machine interfaces, HMIs, and intercept industry-standard Modbus protocol traffic within the simulation. Python, Docker, and Linux comprise the core technologies that make the SCADA simulator possible. The SCADA simulator can be used in scenarios exposing participants to denial of service attacks, data exfiltration, and system monitoring exercises, among others. The SCADA simulator source code and documentation is available on the SEI's GitHub page.